front of our loved ones, friends, their dearest Lord, I want to say thank you for loving me and choosing me in this journey of a lifetime. You are one of the sweetest, funniest, pinakamakulit, at pinakamatangkad na regalo niya ko sa Diyos. Mahal na mahal kita. In our union with God's grace is what I've always prayed for. We've been through a lot together. You've seen me at my best, my worst. You know all my fears, my hopes, and my dreams. We've argued, we've kissed, and we cried, but we still held hands. Pero hindi ko mapangako sa'yo na palaging magiging maganda, sexy, naging mabait. But I will try my best to love you and take care of you. Dahil alam kong habang buhay tayong mag-aasaran, magkukulitan, at magpupustahan, at lalabuin ang buong mundo hanggang sa mag-retire tayo. I will try to be a good wife and the coolest mom ever to our kids. I love you, and let's enjoy this journey together. I love you.